So we are doing with the daily current affairs analysis in very short and precise manner, which will greatly helpful for you to clear the competitive exam, particularly the civil service prelims exam. So let's start with the first issue. Kuno cheetah detected with hepatorenal infection. So cheetah, when it comes to cheetah, for prelims you need to understand about the status of this species. For mains it comes under GS3 conservation. So also we have to study both the African cheetah, also Asiatic cheetah. The IUCN status, this is a very common question in prelims. African cheetah IUCN status is vulnerable and Asiatic is critically endangered, and the site status is appendix 1. Both cheetah is located in appendix 1. So about cheetah, cheetah has a very long history in the country. Historically, it is located in the Neolithic cave painting. So like slender spotted feline being hunted, that was there in this cave painting, in particularly in Madhya Pradesh. The Chitrak, which is a Sanskrit name, that is translated to the spotted one. That is said to be the source of name cheetah, but this is very depth. For and also cheetah actually disappeared from the landscape in 1947, and Indian government formally declared that this species is extinct in 1942. Not only in India, all other 14 countries have also declared this as a species as a extinct. So hepatorenal disease is nothing but that affect the liver and the kidney. Okay, so this Kuno National Park is a national park in Madhya Pradesh. This actually it given a status of a national park, and this is part of Kathiawar dry deciduous forest, and it is India's second home for Asiatic lion. That is very important. So the next issue is India's first mission to study about the sun to begin by June or July this year. This comes under GS3 space technology, and this is a Aditya L1 mission. First time India is going to set up this mission to study about the sun. So this is launched using the PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle XL. The payload will be 7. So the objective is to study the sun corona, okay, which is visible and near IR rays, sun photosphere, which is soft and hard X-rays, and chromosphere, which is ultraviolet, solar emission, solar winds and flares, and CM is, that is coronal mass ejection, and round the clock imaging of the sun. So the main objective is to study about in depth about the sun. So the challenges is distance from the sun from earth. That is, it has a very huge distance, that scientifically there might be certain challenges, and also involving this payload also there might involve certain risk. Other issues are super hot temperature and radiation in the solar atmosphere, that may take some critical issue to study about the sun. So these are the concern, and you need to study about this Lagrange points. Lagrange point is nothing but when the two body which have a severe gravitational force, that two body, when it comes to attract or repulsion, that particular point is called Lagrange point. Maybe the sun or earth, where there is the sun is also having huge gravitational force, and earth is also having huge gravitational force. So when these two body enhance, and that particular point where you have the region of attraction repulsion, and this particular point is called Lagrange point. Okay, so the satellite is placed in the halo orbit around the Lagrange point. That is important for prelims. See, this is also important, the layer of the sun. Okay, outer layer corona, photosphere, and this is called sunspot. This is called chromosphere, and coronal hole. This is a convection zone, and this is the radiation zone, and this part is called core. Next issue is Myanmar opium producing, that becoming a very important issue, says by UN Drug Office. So this comes under GS2 security challenges. See, this is very important. This is repeatedly in news. You need to understand what is golden crescent, this area, and golden triangle, this area. So golden crescent involves Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan. Golden triangle is Myanmar, Laos, Vietnam, Thailand. See, these countries are important for producing this drug. Okay. So the golden triangle is located in Southeast Asia, comprising of Laos, Thailand, Myanmar, not Vietnam. So Myanmar is the largest country. Laos is the only landlocked country, but also in the Southeast Asia, and Thailand is the largest coastline. And Golden Triangle is the world's second largest opium producing region. Golden Crescent is located in the Southwest Asia and consists of Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran from east to west. And Iran is the largest, Afghanistan only landlocked country, and Pakistan share the maximum land boundaries. They also produce maximum illicit opium. And Iran is not an opium producing country, but it is more of a transshipment. Shipment and trading happens in this region. Thank you.